Let's see. Okay. Back recording. Okay, where did I go last time when I came this way? Okay, so I guess this last little bit over here is all I didn't see. We went this way last time. Yeah. Okay, so this mall isn't as big as I thought it was. Still a pretty mall, real nice. I'm not going into shops because I don't want to spend too much time talking to too many people today. But I have other stuff to go film. And with this mall, so just to let you know what I do when I go to different areas in South Africa. All I do mainly is Google the mall first. Then once I Google the mall, that shows me while I'm getting there. I look around and see how the community look. Start looking for signs of like, okay, can it be a dangerous area? How safe is it? And what I mean by that is if you see women and kids walking on the street, you see people just on the street with their cell phone, it's the same kind of rules in the U.S. You know, like if you're in the U.S., you're not going to go out at night and just be walking around with an iPhone 14 or 2 o'clock in the morning. So you have to use the same common sense in other places around the world. Like places aren't dangerous. It's people's habits that make them dangerous. Like I tell people, I don't go out at night, so there's things that I never have to worry about that other people talk about. Okay. So this was Clearwater Mall. I'm gonna have to come back here one day and I'm gonna just probably hire someone to drive me around for the day and come and just start looking at different areas because there's a couple other shopping centers that I saw coming up that I would want to check out and video for you. But so far, this is a nice mall. I like it. The people are friendly, the ones I've talked to. So I'll definitely come back here and check them out again. Let's see, where is this? Okay. Damn, I'm sweating again. Okay, it goes there. Okay. And one of the other things you can see here, this mall shows there's a lot of diversity in South Africa. Like, people always talk about how New York City and places in the U.S. are the melting pot. This place is so diverse here. So far out of all the malls I've been to, I would still say Mall of Africa is my favorite. Then after that, I would say Mainland and Pretoria because it's a really, just a really family-friendly area. And then the Mainland, you'll see when I record it, like there's just a lot of outdoor space. All right, so now we're back at the beginning. And I'm going to end up getting out, find another Uber, and then head back to Josie for now before I go to the playground. So what I'm gonna do once I get out of here, I'm gonna go on the outside with the parking lot, order my Uber, but I'm gonna show you just a quick of how I look around here. Hopefully the camera gives it justice from what I can see over here. So I'm gonna get a shot of the actual front of the mall. I want to show you this. I look like this is the area. This looks just like Frisco, Texas. When I tell you, let me get the front of the mall for you so you know exactly what it looked like. So here's the front of the mall, and there's the name. This is Clearwater Mall where I'm at. I don't know if this is Rootport or if this is called Clearwater. Like I told you, I just found this on the internet, so I just came in. But there you go.